13 through 18 says, write a statement that indicates that the triangles in each pair are congruent. Okay? So, we need to write the statement, and we're going to say triangle, and this is the answer, okay? Triangle, because we're talking about the whole triangle. What is angle 1 on this first triangle? We're looking, we got these two triangles. G, what comes next? H, I is congruent to triangle IMN.
Is that what we do for that?
Mm-hmm. Okay, but you cannot write, okay, pay attention, because I know some of you guys will do this. You cannot write your letters in just some random order. You can't say, well, I got these 3 letters. So, for example, you cannot write IGH. Okay, you need to do angle 1, and then angle 2, and then angle 3. And then on that other one, you need to do angle 1, angle 2, angle 3.
We're going in order?
Yes. You could do 3, 2, then 1, or 2, 3, but they need to match up the spots. Okay? So, if we were to look at 15, I'm going to write triangle. How would I label the first one?
H-I-G.
What are you looking at, bud?
13.
Well, that one's done.
Oh.
15.
Oh.
How would we label that, Bree? Nah, I ain't. Just the first triangle I want you to label.
I don't know.
Yes, you do.
No,
Go on.
tell me.
You always say this, but you do. You just don't want to answer me.
Oh wait, is it W-Y-X?
W-Y-X?
No, but you didn't know.
No, because I was trying to figure out.
I know. You always pretend like you don't know what you're doing, but you're smart. W-Y-X. Jared.
Which one?
What matches up to W-Y-X? How do I label triangle 2?
YWC.
Y-W-C. Perfect. Okay, Michael, look at 17. How do I label triangle 1?
Triangle HCD.
HCD is congruent to triangle, Mario.
Huh?
How do you label triangle 2? You just need to match up with his.
Oh, H-I-J.
H-I-J. Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, and then the very back page, it wants you to complete the congruent statement. So it's just like the front page. Okay, the only difference is on the front page, everything was marked for us. Okay, on the back page, it's the same as the front page, but there's no markings. Okay, so if you look at the very front of your packet, it is the exact same. The only difference is, see how they have all those angles marked and everything for you? This one doesn't. So you need to pay attention to the order of the triangle. So EF, line segment EF, matches up to what on the other triangle?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. EF or FE. Okay, how can you conclude that without marking any angles or sides? 1 and 2. Okay, so if we were to look at them and you were to label spot 1, 2, and 3, spot 1, 2, and 3. Some of them are not going to be that easy, and you might have to label a little bit to get you where you need to be, but some of them you're going to be able to look right at and tell. Okay? Okay, and then let's look at 22. What is congruent to angle Z? Angle Z, what is congruent? Huh? Yeah. Like you're about to second guess yourself. I'm like, I don't know if I said it right. Okay, why?
Because they'll have the same markings.
Yeah, they're gonna have the same markings, okay? And when we look at angles, that's the inside. That's the rainbows on the inside, or however you want to call them, okay? And so, because we're doing that, this is in the third spot, which means we're looking at the third spot of the other triangle, which is K. So you need to use your notation right though. So you need to write this for an answer. It should look like this. Don't write me down friggin' K. Okay? Yeah, I know some of you guys did. Okay, on all of your answers, if you're writing letters, you should have a triangle or a line segment or an angle notation.
I did that. I didn't just write it. That's what I
Yeah,
messed
that's
up.
not,
Yeah.
that's not right.
Yeah. What? Oh.
At least you're out something.
That's what.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I see.
Okay, 23. Angle L. What's congruent to angle L?
Oh, see?
Angle C. Where's the angle C? Okay, you guys are going to go through and do all of the even ones. I would probably start back on the front of your packet. Do all of the even ones and then put it in the box. Make sure your name's on it. The notes, okay, we're going to be using these for probably another week or so. If you think you're going to lose them, write your name on it and put it in the box. And then I'll just pass them back out to you every day. Because this is review, and the next 2 days will be review. But after that, you're going to need the notes. So if you're going to lose them, some of you guys, you know who you are, put them in the dang box.
Wait, do you have a folder?
Yeah, I do.
Let me get one too.
I was gonna.
You don't even keep your stuff. I'm going to give you one.
Man,
She
come on.
usually
I'll
always
pass
has
it off.
a little great accent. I don't know. I thought I did.
It's okay. I mean, I have to do it at home. I didn't have one.
Oh, at home,
I have them at home. I needed one, but it's okay.
You have some. I just don't know what to do with them. Oh, you don't like them? You want a certain color?
Well, let's get black.
Where do you see black?
I know.
Oh, I thought I seen black. My fault. That was purple. My fault.
Oh,
You don't want to?
Look at this.
You better show up every day with this folder.
Alright. I can't count on that, but okay.
Then I'm not giving you one.
Oh, I took it around.
She carries it everywhere. She almost always. I know.
Oh, dang, bro. You ain't gotta bring
I
her
helped her
into
clean
it.
out her folder, so I know that she uses a folder.
You ain't gotta bring her
because
into
I
it
don't
now.
ever take nothing out of my folder.
I know.
Come on now. I'm just as good.
Jared, are you done?
This is good. What?
Huh?
Yeah.
So help me Jesus, Jared, if that's not done, I'm gonna just pause for
Sure.
your done.
It's not the same thing.
Yeah, put it in second period.
Alright.